Before you buy or sell crypto on any P2P platform, there are a few mistakes that might cost you your money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto safely, how to sell without making costly mistakes, how to choose the right merchants to trade with, what exactly to do should in case anything goes wrong, and how you yourself can become a P2P merchant on Gate. So make sure you watch this video till the end. If you are new to crypto or you've heard of P2P trading but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Gate P2P is designed to make buying and selling of crypto simple for both beginners and experienced traders. Some of the reasons many traders choose Gate P2P includes a beginner-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, a smooth buying and selling experience, competitive market prices, fast and fair dispute resolutions, responsive customer support, a secure trading environment with proactive risk management, regular reward campaigns for users and merchants, fair treatment for both buyers and sellers. Now, let's see how easy it is to use Gate P2P. I'll walk you through your first P2P trade from buying crypto, selling crypto safely, choosing the right merchant, how to contact support and raise an appeal if you need help, the rewards available for new users, and finally, how to become Gate P2P merchant. Now, let's start by buying crypto. To buy crypto, all you have to do is to launch your Gate application, and if you don't have an account on Gate, use the link in the description to sign up. And once you are done signing up, you do your KYC before you proceed with P2P trades. Then once you are done with your KYC, go to deposits, click on P2P trading. So I'm going to click on P2P, change the currency. That's the first thing you have to do. You change the currency to your local currency, picking Naira. And then the next thing I have to do is to find credible merchants to buy from. So you have to also decide which of the cryptocurrency you are interested in buying. So we have USDT. If you click on it, you will see quite a couple of cryptocurrencies you can buy via Gate P2P. Since I want to buy USDT, I will leave it at USDT. The next thing I want to do is to look for a merchant. So we have a couple of criteria to consider. You can see this particular merchant is restricted. I don't want to see ads from merchants that are not eligible, so I'm going to click on the filter button and then I'm going to click on eligible ads and I'll click on confirm and I won't see any restricted user. The next thing I want to do is to actually impute the amount of money because some people limits don't align with the quantity that I want to buy. So limit simply means the least amount of USDT you can buy from a particular merchant. So some merchants might fall below how much you actually want to buy. So I'm going to just type 150k. I'm going to change this to Naira. I'm going to confirm. And the next thing I want to do is to look for merchants with trading like quite a number of trades, maybe from 1,000 or maybe 100 and above, and then people that has high completion rate, which is from 90 and above. I'll click on buy and then I'll click on maximum. If I want to buy every single thing, I'm just going to click on max, but if I want to be specific with the amount of money in Naira, I'm just going to type $150. Then I'm going to choose the payment method, which is OPay. Then I'm going to just click on buy. So buying on P2P does not come with any fee. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is to just copy this account number and then initiate transfer. You have to note that when it comes to trading on P2P, you are not expected to use third-party accounts to make payments, else you might end up having issues with the merchants. So I'm going to copy the account and then go make the transfer. After making the transfer, you have to download this receipt. So I'm going to click on I have paid. I will upload the screenshot of the payments and then click on done. I click on confirm. It is as simple as that. So the next thing, I'll just click on chat, get how to text the vendor. Good. You can now see that the merchant has released the coin and I now have it in my account. This is super fast and really interesting. To sell on Gate P2P is pretty simple. All you have to do is to toggle sell and then you change the currency to your local currency. Then the next thing you have to do is to filter off uneligible ads. Okay, so you are going to click eligible ads, confirm, impute the amount you want to sell, you confirm, and then you start looking for merchants with good reputation, maybe people that have completed quite a number of trades, people that have at least 90% completion rate, and then pay maybe within 15 to 20 minutes. Then you scroll down, we have quite a good number of them, and then you pick from any one of them. You can always review your buyer's information by clicking on their profile, and then you can click on feedback. Then under feedback, you are going to see people that have dropped either positive or negative. So this particular vendor doesn't have any negative feedback on this platform. No negative feedback. All their feedbacks are positive. This is a green flag. So you can check trade history. So trade history means checking if you have traded with this particular merchant before. You can be trading with one merchant as many times as possible based on your experience with them from your first trade with them, right? I'm going to go back, and you can also be following some merchants by just clicking on the follow button, such that anytime you want to trade with the people that you are following, you can always go to following and look them up if they have any adverts. So I'll pick this merchant based on the fact that he has 100% completion rate. I'm going to click on sell, click on maximum because I want to sell every single USDT. I'm going to select payment method being OPay. Then I'm going to input my account number. So I will click on sell USDT. So after you have sold, you can chat the merchant. So the merchant has paid. The next thing you have to do is to click on payment received, confirm that you've gotten the money, click confirm, and then the coin is going to be released to the merchant. So that is all. It's pretty simple. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask in the comments below. Here are the things to keep in mind while choosing a merchant to trade with on Gate P2P. You have to look out for high completion rates, a large number of completed orders, fast response time, transaction limits that suits your trade, your preferred payment method, and competitive pricing. These criteria can help you enjoy smoother and more secure trading experience. Sometimes transactions may not go as expected. Someone might maybe claim to pay you when they haven't, or maybe someone can literally pay you while their bank is taking forever to credit you. Or sometimes the user could open a trade and then forget to make payments. So be rest assured that anytime this happens and other related issues, if a particular trade is not going as expected, all you have to do is to click on the appeal button. Gate P2P provides customer support and an appeal system. You can contact customer support directly or raise an appeal whenever necessary. When submitting an appeal, you have to provide all the necessary and required information so that the customer support can review your case immediately. Gate is actually the best and the fastest platform when it comes to resolving P2P issues. So if you are making your first purchase on Gate P2P, there is a good news. Eligible users can receive 2%, 10%, and 12% subsidy. So the available subsidy depends on your market. So if you're eligible, you have to complete your first trade while your campaign is active. Make sure you jump on this because the campaign is currently active, so you don't miss out. If the subsidy is available for you as a first-time Gate P2P trader, once you open P2P, under the buy ad section, you are actually going to see this subsidy as being the first advert, where you are going to see 10%. So this 10% simply means that you are getting crypto for 10% off. So this 10% means that you are going to get a 10% off exchange rate. So instead of you buying crypto for, let's say, maybe 1,400 naira per dollar or maybe 1,395 naira per dollar, you are going to be getting a 10% off that particular rate. And then you can only purchase between $1 to $20. If you'd like to take things further, you can apply to become Gate's P2P merchant. To become a merchant, all you have to do is to click on profile, scroll down to where we have merchants recruitment. When it comes to becoming a merchant, there are actually 3 tiers. So we have the first tier, which is certified merchant. We have the second tier, which is blue V merchant, which is sort of blue VIP. And these are the requirements, so make sure you come check the requirements out. And then we also have crown merchants. So these are the requirements. Okay, so I'm actually going to be applying for certified merchants, and then I'm going to click on the apply now. And then my currency is Naira. I'm going to provide my Telegram username, provide your WhatsApp. I will need to commit $100 for this. I'm going to accept the terms. So make sure you go through the terms and condition, submit. Once your application has been approved, you will now be able to have both buy and sell ads and enjoy the benefits that comes with being a merchant on Gate P2P. Here are 6 benefits of becoming a Gate P2P merchant. Access to merchant incentive campaigns, dedicated merchant support, API support for automation, local payments and bank integrations, merchant management tools, direct support from Gate BD team. There is also a new merchant campaign that is available for eligible applicants, and if you check the description of this video, you are going to find the link. So that's how easy it is to buy and sell crypto safely on Gate P2P. So if you haven't joined Gate yet, make sure you use my referral link in the description of this video to create an account to get started. If you already have an account and haven't tried Gate P2P yet, now is the perfect time to go give it a shot so you can participate and enjoy the ongoing campaign. If you're interested in becoming a Gate P2P merchant, make sure you go apply today and start growing your business with Gate P2P. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.